Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Thank you very much to online job portal to giving me the opportunity to talk about something about myself. Now I introduce about myself. My name is Hasibul Hossain. I am Bangladeshi and professionally I am a graphic designer and video editor. I play a significant role as a graphic designer in last 18 years some reputation companies. I hold graduations in political science. In year 2007, I completed a certificate course as a graphic designer in Singapore. I also gained my early works experience there. Over 18 to 19 years, I worked some reputation companies in Bangladesh until 2021. Most recently, 2022 to July 2024, I served as a graphic designer, a prominent printing press in Dubai. My journey across Singapore, Bangladesh, in the UAE. I am proficient in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign for design and art, and Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects for video editing and video productions, and Blender 3D for 3D visualizations. I also well versed in Microsoft Office and Excel for project documentation and management. For better idea about my work and experience, I invited to explore my profile and portfolio. For check out my update or projects and samples on Behance and my personal website. For find my content, I invited you to visit my Facebook page and YouTube channels. Thank you very much for watching my video resume, and I hope to looking forward to possibility to work with you. Thank you very much.